In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do time tracking in Notion, step by step, using a simple built-in template that anyone can set up in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to track work hours, study time, freelance projects, or daily productivity, all inside Notion without any complicated setup. If you've been struggling to figure out time tracking in Notion or didn't even know it was possible, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your time tracker to live. This could be your workspace homepage, a projects page, or a personal productivity dashboard. Once you're on the page, click to add a new database. You can do this by typing / and selecting database, or by clicking the plus option and choosing a new database. This will create a fresh database area where the time tracker will be added. Next, look to the top left area of the database and click on the left arrow to access more options. This opens up additional controls and settings for the database. From there, click on Templates. This is where Notion allows you to quickly add pre-built templates instead of creating everything from scratch. Now that you're in the Templates section, head over to the Template search and type in Time Tracker. Notion will show you several template options related to tracking time. Look for the template simply called Time Tracker, which is designed specifically for logging clock in and clock out sessions. Once you find it, click on the Time Tracker template to preview it. After reviewing it, click on the Add button. This will instantly add the Time Tracker template to your Notion workspace and connect it to your current database. Now click on the Time Tracker itself to open it fully. Inside this template, you'll see a clean and simple layout designed for tracking time sessions. To start tracking time, click on the Clock In button. This records the start time automatically, so you don't need to manually enter anything. While the timer is running, you can focus on your task, whether that's work, studying, or a personal project. When you're finished and want to stop tracking, simply click on the Clock Out button. Notion will log the end time and calculate the total duration for that session. Over time, you'll be able to see all your tracked sessions in one place, making it easy to review how you're spending your time and improve your productivity. You can also customize this database later by adding tags, categories, or linking it to other Notion pages if you want a more advanced setup. And that's it. You've successfully set up time tracking in Notion using a simple and effective template. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials, and drop a comment below if you'd like to see advanced time tracking workflows in Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.